Warning.
So, what?
Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Yes.
Warning. Warning.
Why do we all have to wear these ridiculous... Shut up.
Don't just stand there.
Are you insane? Shut up. Don't be ridiculous.
Warning.
It's not. It's not shutting down.
Get out of there!
This is my hiding spot, and I'm not moving until the situation is drastically improved. Now go away, and don't tell anyone I'm here. Are you insane? I seem to be wounded, but I can keep going. Don't worry. I am a doctor.
Warning. Warning.
Stop
Warning.
attacking immediately.
Warning. Warning.
So, fiddle.
I seem to be wounded.
Major fracture detected.
No. Oh no. No, not again.